Welcome everyone to this video, and I am going to show you how to delete your Yahoo account. So let's go to yahoo.com, and I am going to permanently delete this Yahoo account. So I will go to the top right hand corner and click on this icon. Then I click on help, and I will scroll down slowly to the option that says create or delete account. Then I move to close or reactivate your Yahoo account, and I click on it. Then on this page, I will scroll down for you to see everything on it. Then I click on sign in to the Yahoo account termination page. It's loading. Now, these are the closing remarks as you delete your Yahoo email account. And I will scroll down slowly to the end and click on the option that says continue to delete my account. So here, type the Yahoo account to delete permanently. So after typing, click on yes, delete this account. And this is how to delete a Yahoo account. And guys, click on got it. And I want to encourage you at this point to subscribe to the channel so that when I drop detailed reviews like these, you will be notified instantly. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.